It's a new year for Tesla, and records are beginning to show that the car company may hit a new milestone by getting a record delivery in China for the month of January. The automaker has recently lowered the prices of some of its cars, and the most recent registration numbers seem to reflect some benefit from Tesla's decision to cut prices in China. According to reports, Tesla slashed prices from some of its cars in China, with price cuts up to 13% for some models. Following the reduction in prices of these Tesla cars, several EV buyers are seizing the opportunity to order a Tesla EV for themselves. And according to local media reports in China, Tesla has received 30,000 orders within 3 days after announcing these price cuts. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla recently cut prices for its Model 3 and Model Y cars by about 6% to 13.5% in China from the 6th of January this year. The price cuts come in the face of perceived signs of faltering demand and intensifying competition in the world's largest auto market. It also comes at a time when the automaker is struggling to maintain its sales in China, which is the biggest international market. Tesla cut prices some days after Beijing ended a 13-year-long subsidy for electric vehicle purchases on December 31st, a move that's expected to put further pressure on car demand. As a result of the reduction in car prices, weekly China vehicle registration data showed an initial sales boost for the global EV giant, causing its stock price to react positively. What does this mean for Tesla? And could this be a good sign for Tesla stock to pick back up anytime soon? Keep watching to find out, but before we get on with the video, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla slashed prices in China for the second time in less than 3 months, in an effort to boost sales amidst slowing demand in the world's largest car market. According to information on its website, the EV maker cut prices for all versions of its China-made Model 3 and Model Y. The starting price for Model 3 has been reduced by 13.5% to $33,515, the lowest starting price for a Model 3 in China ever, while the starting price for Model Y has been slashed by 10% to $37,889. As a result, Tesla's China EV registrations were 12,654 for the week of January 9th to the 15th, up 500% compared to the 2,110 recorded in the prior week. Overall sales of all passenger cars in China came in at 437,700 units in this week. That's down 14% compared to last year and up 50.5% compared to the previous week. After cutting prices in China and other Asian markets, Tesla followed with price cuts in the US and Europe. The recent price cuts have been the second since October 24th, when Tesla reduced the prices of its Model 3 and Model Y by as much as 9.4%. Tesla had previously increased prices several times in the past 2 years. According to Tesla's Vice President for External Relations in China, Grace Tao, Tesla's price cuts are backed by innumerable engineering innovations. She stated that the company is responding to the country's call with practical actions to promote economic development and release the potential of the domestic demand. While Tesla cut prices down for its Model 3 and Y, it didn't reduce the prices of the S and X, because it only just reintroduced these cars in China. Tesla has been struggling outside of China as well as several other EV markets. Last year, the automaker produced more cars than it delivered, which caused the inventory to decrease. The company's stock recently had its worst day in 2 years, dragged down by weaker than expected sales data globally. The company's shares ended 2022 down 65%, greatly cutting into Elon Musk's net worth. According to analysis from Bullish Securities, the major worry for Tesla is the demand story, especially out of China, and it's showing heavy cracks. Musk acknowledged last year that this price had actually become embarrassingly high and could hurt demand. The concerns about slowing demand further increased after the FED raised interest rates owing to the growing inflation rate, but it seems somewhat that Tesla needed a simple reduction in price. Before now, January and February aren't usually big months for Tesla or automobiles in general, but the narratives seem to be changing for Tesla. Average sales jumped in China during the January 9th to 15th period, up 76% from the same period in 2022, bringing sales to about 12,654 vehicles over that period, according to recent data. While there was a 14.5% year-on-year decline in overall retail auto sales in China in the same week, sales of electric and hybrid vehicles in the country increased 36.5%. Tesla's car demand soared significantly in the last few days, reaching 30,000 car orders in just 3 days. At half that price, Tesla could potentially reach 170,000 orders in a month from China alone. The highest it's ever been in the market is around 70,000 a month. It is no doubt then that Tesla's recent price cut will affect its competitors. EV competition domestically in China with NIO, BYD, Xpeng, and other brands fighting for a space in the industry. And so a significant reduction in price, such as that of Tesla, can help companies gain market share. Tesla lowered prices across the US, Europe, and the Middle East, and Africa, following a series of cuts in Asia, in what analysts called a clear shot of both smaller rivals that have been bleeding cash, as well as legacy automakers aggressively ramping up EV production. Likewise, the impact of Tesla's price cuts in China is also felt by some used car dealers, who are being forced to cut their own prices to find buyers, although sales of second-hand Teslas are expected to grow as they attract more budget-conscious consumers. So the question is, will the price cut affect Tesla's margin since these cars are going for lower prices? Well, probably just a little bit. Tesla's profit margins are high and the automaker has an incredible advantage in terms of price control, which allows it to record high margins even if it cuts the prices of cars. However, margins will definitely go lower than they were before. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives has said that the cuts are the right medicine at the right time for Tesla. He stated this in a note to clients, adding that lowering prices was the correct strategic move as demand may be waning and competition is heating up. Ives said the price cuts will spur demand by 12 to 14% globally in 2023. According to him, this is a clear shot across the bow at European automakers and US automakers, GM and Ford. Dan Ives added that Tesla is not going to play nice in the sandbox with an electric vehicle price war now underway. He, however, maintained his outperform rating and $175 price target. While the recent stock reaction is reflecting this margin impact, Ives said it's the right move for the long term. He cited that Tesla now has global scale, which it did not have a few years ago, and it also has margin flexibility to make aggressive moves like this to gain further market share in this electric vehicle arms race going on right now. Likewise, stock investor Garrett Nelson has said that after the price cut, Tesla will see a narrower profit margin but will sell more cars. He added that this should widen the company's competitive advantage and make many more Tesla vehicles eligible for that $7,500 federal EV tax credit. According to Chinese media, Tesla's traffic at its small retail stores has been the highest in history. It was reported that retail sales surged in China in January after the company slashed prices for its top-selling models that year. Traffic and orders at Tesla stores in China's second and third tier cities have increased sharply after the price cut, with orders at stores in some cities up 500% from December. Since Tesla's closing its Chinese factory for some time in January, wait times are also beginning to increase in the market. Tesla cars are already incredible in terms of their features, and so selling these cars for a much lower price will only cause demand to go up. The automaker's vehicles have been celebrated several times for its owner satisfaction ratings, many times in the past. According to Zootobi, a driver's ed website, Tesla topped the list when it came to the most satisfied car owners in the automotive industries in Europe and the US in July last year. In fact, based on the results from 4 websites that provide vehicle owners ratings, the Tesla Model 3 came out on top. Seeing that these cars are now cheaper than they used to be, it's not surprising that it could garner that much orders in so many days. So what's your take then on Tesla's price cuts in China? Do you think that the demand's going to go up? Let us know down below. And don't forget to tell us what your valuation of Tesla is. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to in the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.